Today, we are building a custom string class in C++. We'll use C++ to implement basic functionalities and manage memory effectively. By the end, you'll understand how to create and use your own string class. Welcome to the Custom String Class tutorial. This class helps manage string data efficiently. It provides basic functionalities, like storing and retrieving strings. Understanding this class is essential for effective string manipulation. In this visual, we illustrate how memory is allocated when a string is created. The constructor initializes the string and allocates memory on the heap for the character data. This is crucial for managing dynamic memory effectively in C++. Here, we see the stack holding the pointer to the heap memory, where the actual string data resides. The constructor initializes the string with an empty default value. It calculates the length of the input string using starlen. Memory is allocated for the string, including space for the null terminator. Finally, the constructor copies the input string into the allocated memory. This visual highlights the role of the destructor in memory management. When the string object is destroyed, the destructor is called to free the allocated memory on the heap. This prevents memory leaks, ensuring that all dynamically allocated resources are properly released. In C++, destructors play a crucial role in memory management. They help prevent memory leaks by freeing allocated resources. The destructor is called automatically when an object goes out of scope. This ensures that memory is properly released, maintaining efficiency. Implementing a destructor is essential for classes managing dynamic memory. This method allows you to append a string to a custom string class. It calculates the new length after adding the new string. Memory is allocated for the combined string data. Existing data is copied to the new memory space. The new string is then appended to the existing data. Finally, the old memory is freed to prevent leaks. In this section, we will explore the print method. The print method outputs the string to the console. Using the print method helps visualize the string's content. Next, we will look at the getLength method. The getLength method retrieves the length of the string. Understanding string length is essential for many operations. Let's see how these methods work together. Let's start by creating a main function to demonstrate our string class. Here we create a string object with the initial text, hello. Printing the string shows its current value, which is helpful for debugging. Next, we demonstrate the append functionality by adding more text. This allows us to see how our string class handles modifications. Finally, we can retrieve and display the length of the string. This showcases the versatility of our custom string class effectively. Now, let's compile our string.cpp file using G++. Compiling helps us identify any errors in our code early on. It's essential to fix these errors before running the application. Let's proceed with the build command in the terminal now. Finally, let's run the program and see the result. In this tutorial, you learned about std.string and its importance in C++. You implemented a custom string class, gaining insights into its basic functionalities. We also covered effective memory management, using new and delete in C++. You can now differentiate between std.string and your custom string class. Finally, you demonstrated the use of your custom string class in a program. Next, consider exploring advanced string manipulations or optimizing your custom class further. Thank you for watching and happy coding!